Hello everyone, today I'm going to make baby food and for that I need some pumpkins, some green papaya, some chopped garlic and some chicken. The chicken is already cooked by ginger garlic paste and black pepper. As well I need some rice and lentils. I washed them thoroughly. Let's start cooking. Switch on the flame. Now I'm going to use some mustard oil. Mustard oil is very good for health. So I'm using 1 tablespoon of mustard oil over here. Now I'm going to use some garlic. Now I'm going to keep other vegetables and rice and lentils over here. Saute it for a few minutes. Use some little bit of water and saute it for a few minutes. For the spices, I'm going to use just only For the spices, I'm going to use some salt and some turmeric powder. As you can see, the water is almost drying up. Now I'm going to use some salt and some turmeric powder. Turmeric powder is very good for health, mainly for babies. And some salt. Now I'm going to saute it for another few minutes. You can use any saucepan and the baby food will turn out really good. The water is almost dried up, so I'm going to use 2 cups of water over here. Another cup of water. That's it. Now I'm going to wait for 20 minutes almost for the water to evaporate. That's it. I'm going to wait for 20 minutes for the water to evaporate and then switch off the flame and mix them in the mixer. The water is almost drying up. After 2 minutes, I'm going to switch off the flame. I have poured the baby food inside the mixer. Now I'm going to switch on the button. End result, the consistency of the food will be like this. And if you would like to make it much more smoother, use some more water and then it will be a fine paste.